Ciao guys, we purchased a 500 plus year old home in Italy attached to a medieval castle, sight unseen. Welcome to Red, White and Roma. Ciao guys, welcome everybody. I wanted to do a quick welcome video for all of our new subscribers and get you kind of caught up on what you will find here at Red, White and Roma. We are Mike and Carrie Smart. We're from Boston, Massachusetts originally. We call Mike Smarty, and he does all of the DIY at our house in Italy. We purchased our house in central Italy sight unseen in 2020 during COVID, when Italy was shut down. The whole world was shut down, right? So we were like, well, now's a good time to buy a home 5,000 miles away that we haven't even seen before and pray for the best. So we ended up going over for the first time in February of 2021 and saw the home with the real estate agent who spoke no English. We spoke and still do not speak Italian, and that was our first time seeing the house.
Roma, para Sabina, si vede la visuale.
Take a video.
Attenzione, la chiamate. Ok. Eccola qua.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Vado? Allora, aspetta che faccio un violenza.
So we did not have our channel back then. We just recently started it. So we're kind of getting you caught up on, you know, all of our renovations. Like I said, Mike does everything. He does carpentry, plumbing, electric, everything. The only thing he didn't do, 2 years ago we had a terrace put on the 3rd floor. We regret everything we did with the contractor. However, with Mike's, thank God, skills, he was able to fix a very big wrong that the contractor did. Are you over it?
Huh?
Are you over it?
Way over.
Apparently it was a very dry summer and there was no rain until Mike and Carrie arrived, and Mike had to build a deck on the terrace that we just paid every last penny we had. And now he has to complete the terrace and build a deck to enjoy the view in the pouring rain. Another day in the life of Mike. and Carrie. Mike, what are you doing now?
Making sure I put
No, but what are you doing up here in the room without a roof?
making a deck so we
Why?
can see over the wall.
Why?
Because otherwise we would be staring at a wall.
Because why though? Because they didn't take the wall down. That's the wall that was coming down. Nope. Not today, Mike and Carrie. Not tomorrow either. So now Mike's gonna raise the floor up to give us our view. Work done. They got the wall painted. Door. We left one beam. Jeepers, is a storm coming? Construction zone. We have all the drama. We don't cut anything out. We don't sugarcoat anything. We try to stay as real and honest so that we can show all of you what it is actually like to purchase a home as Americans 5,000 miles away. And I want to say this channel is our perspective. It's two Americans who don't speak the language. We still don't. We're horrible. And we never saw the village. We didn't know anybody. And we went on a wing and a prayer. And God was with us. And we have no regrets. The home was not a ruin. The people, the Italians that sold it to us, are not still laughing at us. You wouldn't believe some of the comments we got. So with that said, if you have questions, leave them in the comments. I try to answer everything from our perspective. We're not professionals. We don't claim to be. We're not anything. No, we do not live in Italy. We live in America, so it's our vacation home, and we try to go as often as possible. Our most recent trips were October of 2025 and January 2026. So we're kind of right now getting caught up on those past trips. We are a reality show with no budget. When I say no budget, I recently told a friend our piggy bank is no longer a piggy. So if you're here and you're a DIYer, if you're here and you have, a tiny, tiny budget, but you have a big dream, you are our people. You are who we were 5 years ago, 6 years ago. I can't do math either in my head. So stick around. Mike and I share it all. We always end with some type of blooper because we laugh at each other. We take nothing seriously. And when we're enjoying this journey, we're not making fun of the Italians. We're not being disrespectful. Again, some of the comments. We are just sharing Mike and Carrie's, our perspective from two Americans who just went for it. And I want to also say, if you had told us 6 years ago you'll be owning a home in Italy, Mike and I would have probably looked at you and been like, you certainly don't know us or our situation. We never thought it would have been possible. But we took the steps to make it happen, and we did it on a very minimal budget. We purchased our home, Central Italy. It's attached to an ancient medieval castle, and we paid 20,000 euros. That's not a scam. It was not a ruin. It's an actual home in a beautiful, tiny little village with about 2,500 residents. We've become best friends with some of our neighbors. We have no regrets. We actually have one regret, and I will leave that video down in the description, because at one point we thought we were selling the house. So that was our one regret. So you'll have to go watch that. Everything else, nothing's gone perfect. It goes back to day one. Our first trip there was February 2021. Within the first few nights, our house was actually leaking. Yes, it's a stone home, and it was just leaking water down the road. No idea, you know, anything. We didn't know what to do. We didn't know anybody. We didn't speak Italian, and we got through it. So with humor, thank God, with our faith and, you know, each other, we have gotten through every part of this journey. So we are just trying to catch you guys up on all of the past years and share what it is actually like to purchase a home as a foreigner 5,000 miles away, and just bring that reality to you all. So thanks for being here. Thanks for all of our other subscribers. I've become like great friends with some of you, and we appreciate you. We appreciate the support. We appreciate, you know, the communication back and forth. And we're enjoying bringing this part of our life to you all. Welcome, and, you know, stick around, hit that like button, subscribe, share, do whatever YouTube tells you to do, and go get a bottle of wine. Actually grab the bottle, because to make it through our video, you will probably need to be intoxicated.
We're live.
Buonasera.
Buonasera. Nope.
Ciao, guys. Chin chin. Wait, chin, move your big finger.
The big hand's gonna be coming at you.
Anyway, enjoy, and we try to put a video out every week. So thanks for being here, guys. Ciao. Arrivederci. Bye.
Where are we going, Mike?
I'm gonna drag a giant couch down the cobblestone path.